Um, so about this, about every atomic transaction relationship exchanges should be 50-50. So basically, it should. How can I say this? It should stabilize to 50-50. Okay? But there could be variations. Okay? And at the start, it could be like this or like this. So one party could earn more of the value created than the other party, but this would be all transparent, everything transparent. So it could be like this or like this. But eventually, the value created, earned by both parties should equalize, and so it can have variations, but it should be it should equalize. Okay? I hope that you're understanding. Donc là, ce que j'ajouterais là-dessus, c'est bon. Je parlais du fait que les transactions doivent être 50-50 au niveau de tout ce qui peut être gagné à partir de la transaction. Mais si au départ ça part de, je sais pas, 80-20 ou 20-80, et bien en fait, le but de toute relation, c'est d'égaliser à 50-50. D'accord? Mais attention, si en gros vous êtes en mode vous voyez, et I have something to say about this, which is really important, and I'm going to clip that. So, let me watch at what time we are. Oh, wait. Ah, I put it there. Sorry. So, this is really important. Basically, so I'm gonna start at I'm gonna start the clip at, let's say, 37. Okay? So, something very, very important is that, so, I thought about this before going to the US, and honestly, this is really, really important, because this was, for me, one of the main political problems in the US. Okay? So basically, what happened is that some people felt betrayed, how can I say this? Betrayed, abused, and things like this. And they took power, and what did they do? They completely inverse the thing, meaning that they abused, betrayed other people. This is not like that. It should be done. Okay? Do you understand? So, what should be done is that if some group is 80, you are 20. Imagine. What you do is that you make everything clear for the relation to equalize to 50-50. As simple as this. You see? So you don't you should not be violent. You should not be violent. You should using good system, good measures, and be neutral about work. You equalize the relation, and you make everything clear. Meaning, you calculate metrics. You try to understand why this is that, and you equalize to 50-50. You see? So, honestly, this is a very big problem, and people wanna use the same abusive methods that other people use onto others, which is not good at all. Ok? Donc, le souci donc, que j'avais déterminé avant de partir aux US, et justement qui a été un peu, and I'm going to assure you that this problem was part of what of why I suffered. Okay? This problem was how can I say this? This problem explains a lot of why I suffered. Okay? So I'm going to explain why in the future. Okay? But en gros, ce qui s'est passé aux États-Unis, c'est que, et même partout dans le monde, hein, c'est que il y avait des gens qui se sentaient lésés. Vous voyez, il y a certaines personnes qui étaient 20, d'autres qui étaient 80. Parce que il y en a à 80, ils utilisaient des méthodes abusives, des méthodes d'harcèlement, etc. Et puis, oui, ouais, ça marche. Du harcèlement, de l'abus, des méthodes non neutres du tout, juste pour s'élever par rapport aux autres. D'accord? Et donc en gros, ce qu'il faut faire, c'est pas utiliser ces mêmes méthodes sur les autres. Ce serait totalement con. D'accord? En gros, ce qu'il faut juste faire, c'est essayer de mettre tout au clair, tout au clair, et d'égaliser la relation au fur et à mesure à 50-50. Et comme ça, tout après fonctionne comme des roulettes. D'accord? J'espère que vous comprenez tout ça. I hope that you understand this. This is really, really important. And this was also one of the reasons why I developed this project. Ok? C'était aussi une des raisons pour laquelle j'ai développé ce projet. D'accord? Donc j'espère que vous comprenez ça. Ok?